Hi, I'm going to show you MRE meals for the military. These are all vegetarian versions. So we got the lasagna, which is the number 11 MRE meal. Got the veggie burger, which is the number 12. I'm going to open one up in a moment. We got the spicy penne pasta, the number 14. And then this isn't vegan, but it's vegetarian, the cheese tortellini vegetarian one. And there's a couple more options as well. Now, this is the spicy penne pasta. I'm going to show you what's in them. So each come with pretty much the same thing except the main meal. There's a couple differences in the sides. Now here's the penne pasta with vegetable-based sausage, a vegetarian sausage. You can look at the calorie count and such. A lot of them are high in calories because it's for people on the battlefield, even though some people have them for prepping or whatever, or camping. So aside from that, there's a portable heat pack that you usually put some water in. So you put the water and fill it up, a small amount of water, and then you wrap it around the meal when you open it up, which is a package like that, and you wrap it around it to heat it up for about a minute, and that heats it up. So yeah, all of them come with a heat pack. This is for mixing your drink. The sides, they usually come with like, this is a peanut butter and a cracker. A lot of them come with something similar. So you got a high source of protein there in your cracker, which is a very hard cracker, which is kind of filling. You have freeze-dried cranberries. Here's your drink mix. A lot of these have a shelf life of several years. There's a pound carrot cake. And then here's some condiments. You got like a salt-free seasoning because you don't want to get dehydrated. Got some other things, another drink mix, and then you usually got a spoon in your packet as well to eat, obviously. Yep, here's the spoon. So that's what most of them come with. A lot of them are very similar. And they're high in calories. As I said, this one is 260 calories alone. So 13 grams of protein in the vegetarian penne pasta. So here's some of the different flavors, and like I said, a lot of them are very similar, just a couple different sides as well that they rotate so you don't get sick of them. But again, the 11, the vegetable lasagna, the veggie burger, number 12, 14, spicy penne pasta, and there's a few other versions as well. So there you have it. I'll show you my leg ink. Camouflage with all the black is bears. And there's a brown and black bear back to back, all in the shape of North America. Peace sign that makes it number 69. So then I have a P-40 Flying Tiger, World War II fighter plane. I was in the Peace Corps. We used to work, be on a military base, Navy base. Then I got a grenade. It's my 6-pack. And over the shoulder. So anyways, here's the vegetarian MRE meals for the military. Thank you, and thank you for the service.